stay down, please, on your side. The guy on bottom has the underhook here. So one common thing that guys will do to recover this position if I can't quite get my underhook back is I can do a back step, and now I'll be here after I took my back step, and I've got shoulder pressure, and I can start working to pass here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hug the head, take this back step, and now Kenny's natural reaction now is gonna be to turn into me. And when he turns into me, I'm gonna grab the knee and bring my hip up over the leg and sit on his leg just for a moment. Got the underhook. I'm gonna back step, and as he comes to turn into me, I'm anticipating it, and I stuff that leg. Now I'm gonna hook his leg, let go of the head, and I'm gonna roll over my right shoulder. Now I'm gonna do this slow-mo. You wouldn't normally do it slow-mo. I'm gonna roll through, and as I roll through, I need to hook this leg on his ankle as well and straighten my legs to finish it, and then come and get my seatbelt grip on the back. Now, instead of hitting the truck roll from the step back and half guard, I can also hit it if I go for a knee slide and we get into this position where he catches my foot. Now, same way, I'm going to step back, grab the far knee, stuff it as I sit to the other side, and then do my roll. Take it back.